Hey everyone, I'm Will with RNR Tire Express, and I could not be more excited because today is our Father's Day giveaway. We are finally giving away our Jurassic Park Jeep. You may remember a few months ago we found a Jeep. It was totally decked out to be the Jurassic Park Jeep. We added a lift, we added fuel wheels, we added Nitto Mud Grappler tires. It looks incredible, and today we are giving it away to one lucky dad. But not just any dad, a huge Jurassic Park fan. Chris is an amazing dad, a giant fan of Jurassic Park, and his wife Heather nominated him, and I want to read you the nomination right now. Heather says, Chris is the best dad to his girls and a huge Jurassic Park fan. He's been collecting Jurassic Park memorabilia since the first time he read the book as a young teenager. The only thing he loves more than Jurassic Park is his girls. He sacrifices his free time to take our oldest to her many sports practices, sometimes 3 to 4 days a week, and will still come home and play on the floor with our 3-year-old. He never misses a performance or a quiet moment just to snuggle. He has passed this love of Jurassic Park onto our oldest, and before COVID, they proudly displayed their collection during the annual Collector's Day at our local museum, creating a special bond between father and daughter that will live on for ages. Chris is truly deserving of this unique prize, and I guarantee you there is no one on this earth who will cherish that Jeep more than he will. His passion for Jurassic Park is palpable and tangible, literally taking up several large containers in our home. Please consider him for this. He has sacrificed so much for our family to make sure his girls have the best, even if it means he goes without. He deserves the world, and I wish I could give it to him. This Jeep would be the pinnacle of his collection and the prize of a lifetime. And Chris, we are so excited to give it to you. We're gonna get set up. We'll see Chris in just a moment. Let's do this. And we are here with our big winner of our Father's Day giveaway. It is Chris, Heather, and Abigail. Chris, I gotta tell you, Heather submitted a Father's Day submission for you that was just absolutely incredible. We had over 10,000 people try to win our $500 gift certificate, and out of all those people, right, you were the winner. Do you have any advice to give to our dads out there so that next year their wives write such a great review that they win our gift certificate?
Always listen to your wife, I guess. I should do nice things for you.
Always listen to your wife. She'll do nice things for you. Well, Chris, here's your $500 gift certificate, okay? Now, I got to tell you, I heard a little bit of a rumor, okay? I'm a huge geek. People know that, right? I'm into Star Wars and things like that. I heard that you're big into Jurassic Park, right?
Yes.
Okay, big into Jurassic Park. Tell me a little bit about your how you got started loving Jurassic Park and whatnot like that, because I've got a little something I want to give you, but I want to hear the story first.
Okay.
Because from geek to geek, I got to hear this.
Sure. My grandma got me the book back in 1991.
Yep.
We saw it on June 10th, the movie.
Yeah.
That's always been a special thing for us. Unfortunately, she's passed away by now. But we saw it in 1993. My daughter was born June 10th.
Get out of town.
So a nice coincidence there.
That's awesome.
And then the last movie came out on June 10th, so that was kind of a special thing for her birthday and for everything. And so
I hear you're a collector of Jurassic Park things.
Yes.
Okay. Now I have something you might have. You can give to your daughter as a little Father's Day thing. You got a little park ranger there.
Sure.
And then I have one more collector's item that you might not have, and it's my absolute pleasure to give it to you today, because if you turn around, my friend, this was not actually a $500 gift certificate. You just won a Jurassic Park Wrangler. That is yours, my dude. That is now yours. It is a fully tricked out Jurassic Park Wrangler. Your family's here today. Chris, this is your Jeep. Everybody give it up for Chris. That's what I'm talking about. Yes.
wow.
This is yours, dude. Now listen, Chris, this is your Jeep. What are your thoughts seeing it for the first time?
Speechless, very much so, yes.
Would you like to get in it?
Sure.
Let's go, man. Come on, come on. We got brand new wheels and tires on it. We lifted it for you, all courtesy of RNR Tire Express. Listen, I think you should jump in and check it out. So jump in, my friend. It is all yours.
Wow. I'm like shaking. I love you.
Hey, Dad, you deserve this more than you know.
Oh, thank you.
I know you don't have this in your collection,
No,
right?
I don't. Now, though.
You do now. You do now. Well, hey, RNR Tire Express is so happy to give it to you. We love you guys. We love all dads out there. Happy Father's Day to everyone, but a special happy Father's Day to Chris. One more big round of applause. Yes. So that's a wrap. Chris and his family are going home with that incredible Jurassic Park Jeep. We are so excited for you guys. And listen, if you're out there thinking, I'd like to win a free car, maybe a piece of movie memorabilia, all you got to do is follow us on our social channels. Everything is at RNR Tires, we would love to give our next vehicle to you. I'm Will, and we'll see you next time.